10 priceless advices for newlyweds. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the essential guidance newlyweds need. You often undergo many confusing emotions during the initial days of your marriage. When you marry your spouse, you're in cloud nine. You're heated with happiness for having married the person you ardently loved. But you're also confused that your spouse is not the person you imagined him or her to be. You're also disappointed when your married life brings along with it many responsibilities and commitments. This is something you never expected to happen in your married life. You always thought that the rosiness of your love days will automatically transfer into your married life. But you're taken aback when it does not happen the way you imagined it to be. There are times when your differences with your spouse erupts as early as your honeymoon days. You feel frustrated that your marriage has brought many new restrictions into your life. Many a time you feel crushed when your spouse ignores you. Do not worry. These sort of confusion about your spouse and your relationship is common and normal. This video will highlight 10 priceless advice you should follow in your married life. Number 1 advice for newlyweds is to forego your dreams. Most of you are dreaming about your married life. You build castles in the air about a near perfect marriage where nothing can go wrong between you. You dreamily assume that your spouse will be ever loving, ever cherishing, and ever treasuring you. It is time you woke up from your dreams. You will live a normal married life with its own share of relationship issues and problems between you. Number 2 advice for newlyweds is your spouse will be different from you. Your spouse will not be what you assumed him or her to be. Your spouse will be entirely different from your imagination. The difference you experience with your spouse is also absolutely normal. Your spouse will not be a Xerox copy any time in your married life. The way your spouse deals with money will be different from you. The way your spouse does his or her work will be different from you. The differences that exist between you just shows your individuality and not your diversification. Number 3 advice for newlyweds is physical attraction between you will disappear. In the initial days of your marriage, both were physically attracted to each other. You adore the physical proximity of your spouse. Your exhilaration about your physical intimacy with your spouse makes you feel heady and thrilled that it will continue forever. But you feel alarmed when the excitement you had in being physically intimate with your spouse vanishes as days pass by. Do not feel alarmed. It just means that your love for your spouse has transformed from being physical to being emotional. The number 4 advice for newlyweds is it is normal to have fights. You never thought that you would fight and argue with your spouse any time in your married life. You feel all is lost in your marriage and fights and arguments between you crop up. You need not worry about this. It is perfectly normal to fight and argue with your spouse. Your arguments do not in any way signal that love has disappeared from your relationship. Because even the most compatible couples argue and fight. The number 5 advice for newlyweds is the need for personal space does not mean you have stopped loving. Before your marriage, you could not bear to be away from your spouse. You wanted the presence of your spouse 24/7. But after your marriage, you want your own personal space. Your need to spend your time alone does not mean you're drifting away from your spouse. It just means that you want your own alone time to do things you like. Number 6 advice for newlyweds is you must constantly be adjusting with your spouse. You must be ready to forego your certain characteristics after your marriage. You cannot be the same person you were before your marriage. If you want your marriage to work, you must become adaptable and adjustable towards your spouse. It is very normal to change yourself a wee bit according to the liking of your spouse. If you notice, you will see that your spouse also has changed himself or herself to accommodate you. The number 7 advice for newlyweds is not taking your spouse for granted. You cannot and should not take your spouse for granted. Your spouse also should not and cannot take you for granted. Because when you take each other for granted, unwanted relationship issues creep into your married life. Unless you are appreciative towards your spouse, he or she feels used by you. This is a feeling you cannot afford your spouse to feel about you. Number 8 advice for newlyweds is treating money carefully. Money makes or breaks your marriage. Mishandled money can open a Pandora's box in your relationship. Because when you throw away money aimlessly, your relationship will be flooded with issues you might not be able to handle. So, always save and spend. Do not spend and regret. Always save for the financial future of your family. Do not delay saving money. Consult your spouse before making any investment. Think twice before making a high-end purchase. Such small money managing strategies will help your relationship in many ways. Number 9 advice for newlyweds is not to insult your spouse. Mutual respect is very important for your marriage to survive. You cannot treat your spouse as a punching bag to vent your frustrations on him or her. You did not marry a spouse to bear the brunt of your smoldering emotions. If at all you hurt your spouse, apologize immediately and instantly. Number 10 advice for newlyweds is never let down your spouse. Do not compare your spouse with others. Your spouse does not like it a wee bit. Do not degrade your spouse before your friends or relatives. It makes your spouse highly angered and resentful against you. Give instant emotional support to your spouse when he or she needs it. Do not allow third-party intrusion into your relationship. When you're newly married, your expectations about your spouse are at its peak. It is natural. But you must be practical to realize that your expectations might remain an expectation forever. It is always the reality of your relationship which will be the reality before you. Did this video make you understand that as newlyweds, you must be practical and rational to deal with your relationship issues? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.